In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Hubspot. We're going to focus on creating what HubSpot calls a one-to-one sales email template. This is the kind of template you'd use when emailing individual contacts or prospects, and it's especially helpful if you send similar emails over and over again, or if you're using sequences. By the end, you'll have a reusable template that saves you time while still feeling personal to each recipient. First, log into your HubSpot account and from your main navigation, go to the CRM section. In the CRM, look for the area called Message Templates. This is where all of your personal and team templates will live. Opening this section lets you see any existing templates and create new ones. Next, you'll create a brand new template. Look for the New Template option, then select From Scratch. Choosing from scratch means you're starting with a blank canvas instead of modifying a pre-built layout, which gives you full control over the content and structure. Now, give your template a clear, descriptive name and a subject line. The internal name should help you recognize the purpose of the template later. For example, whether it's for a first outreach, a follow-up, or a meeting recap. For the subject line, aim for something short, clear, and relevant to what your contact will see in their inbox. You can always refine this later based on what performs best. After that, move into the body of the email. This is where you actually write the message your contacts will receive. Use the formatting options to make it easy to read. Break up long paragraphs, use short sentences, and highlight key points with spacing and simple structure. Keep in mind that while it's a template, it should still feel natural and conversational. One of the most powerful features here is personalization. Use personalization tokens to automatically pull in details like the contact's first name, company name, or other properties you track in HubSpot. You can access these through the Insert drop-down menu. In that same menu, you can also insert documents you regularly share, such as brochures or one-pagers, as well as links to your meeting scheduling page. This helps you streamline follow-ups and make it easy for people to book time with you. When you're happy with your content, scroll down to the bottom left corner and click Save Template. HubSpot will store it so you can quickly insert it into future one-to-one emails or sequences, keeping your outreach consistent, efficient, and personalized.